Getting Started tutorial. First, create an empty project. Next, import the CMP2D package that you downloaded earlier. You can also import it through the Unity Asset Store. Once the loading is complete, you will see a welcome window that will guide you through the installation process. Next, we will install all the prerequisites for our package one by one. After installing the Fusion 2 SDK, create an app for your project on the Fusion dashboard. Click the Open Dashboard button. This will open a link in your browser. Sign in to your Photon account to proceed with project creation. Click the Create App button and provide the necessary details about your project. Ensure that you select Fusion and Fusion 2, then hit Create. Once the app is created, validate it on your dashboard screen. From there, copy the app ID and paste it into the Photon window in Unity. As you install Fusion 2, the checkbox is marked green, indicating that you have completed this step. Now, repeat this process with all the dependencies. And eventually you will see a great job. Congratulations! You have successfully installed CMP2D. Now let's play it and check how things work. This is our menu screen, which includes character selection, name entry, and region details. By entering a username and pressing Enter, you will see the room joining screen, which provides details about the available rooms. If there are none, you can create your own by entering the required details. Once you hit the Create button, the room will be created, and you can check it in the inspector as well. For player locomotion, you can use the arrow keys or WASD keys to move, and the spacebar to jump. The gameplay screen includes cool features such as a chat system, a player list, and a voting system. For voice chat, press the V key to speak with your friends. Thanks for using Clean Multiplayer Pro.